Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on the guided class practice 126A. I'm sorry I ripped that page. It ripped coming out of the book. So it says draw a 2-inch line segment for your name. There we go. We'll flip it over to the big ones. 2-inch line segment. And then let's measure it just for fun. Let's measure it in centimeters. So 2 inches is a little bit more than 5 centimeters. That's cool. So put your names in. Okay. Our date today is June. I keep wanting to put May. June 4th, 2020. Our day of the week is Thursday. Our tally marks today is going to be the number 17. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Then it says here, write the number 114 on the place value chart. Circle the digit that tells the number of ones. It's on the far right. Now this is a lot to read, so let's read it together, and we'll read it right through before we do any of the math. It says, 5 children from room 4 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. 6 children from room 5 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the children at the nurse's office. Now remember, boys and girls, when I told you that sometimes word problems are going to have numbers in them that are misleading. So right here it says room 4 and room 5. We don't need to know those numbers. It doesn't matter. Okay? So sometimes in word sentences, they have numbers in that don't mean anything. So you have to learn how to understand that. So it says 5 children from room 4 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. 6 children from room 5 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the children at the nurse's office. So we had 5 from room 4 and 6 from room 5. So 6 plus 5, because we know that they're all together. And we know that 6 plus 5 is like saying 5 plus 5 plus 1. And we know that 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So your number sentence is 5 plus 6 equals 11. Draw a picture, it said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children from 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss Sally did that one a little backwards. But 6 and 5 is 11. How many children are at the nurse's office? Well, there are 11 children at the nurse's office. Okay. The children in Mrs. Flinter's class made this graph about their favorite insects. Write one thing you know about the children in Mrs. Flinter's class. Well, we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 children that participated in the graph. We know that the favorite insect in Mrs. Flinter's class is the ladybug. We know that the least favorite is the ant. Least favorite is the ant. Okay? What we're trying to do, we're just trying to expose you to graphs a little bit, just so that you kind of understand what they are and what they can show you. So in this graph, you notice that there is a title. Okay? All graphs have titles, otherwise they're super confusing and they don't mean much. So every graph you make will have a title. And every graph you read should have a title as well. Then it's comparing the favorite insect of each one of these 3 insects. Ladybug, firefly, or ant. We also know that. We also know that, I think it said 19 kids participated. So you know a lot by looking at a graph properly. If you know how to look at a graph and what you're looking for, graphs can be really, really important and really informative. Ooh, now we're getting into quarters. Ooh, I'm sorry that this is American money. Again, how much money is this? Well, these are quarters. Oh, sorry, they're quarter dollars. You know what? I'm skipping right over it. Don't do it, you guys. You don't need to know that. So it says find the answers. 2 plus 2 plus 7. So in my head, I would go 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11. You could also do 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 7. You still get the same answer. Now over here, 9 take away 8 is 1. 8 take away 1 is 7. 5 take away 2 is 3. 6 take away 5 is 1. And 8 take away 6 is 2. If there are any questions, please let me know via email, and I will be happy to Zoom with you guys and tutor quietly, or separately, sorry, individually, not quietly. I will tutor individually if you need me to help you. Okay, have a great day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.